What's good, guys? Welcome back to the episode. I'm looking. Today I'm going to be doing another Tokusatsu reaction video. This time it's going to be Cyclone and Hurricane Hero. Though the last video was really absolutely good. Let me tell you about it, really like good. I'm enjoying this like AMV videos right now. So let's get straight into this video and let's see what this Cyclone and Hurricane like Hero um comparisons that they about. So let's get straight to the video, bro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when I have a video. And let's get straight into the video, bro. Let's go. What in the world? What? That was looking sick. So that is like right, the Sentai, the Ultraman, that can just like Cyclone and Hurricane powers. Then are you trying to tell me? Yep. All right. So what did them guys put there now? Amanda. Yo. Yo, what? Oh my god. No, them boys are going crazy, right? Disgusting, bro. I like that double team with like the Rangers there. Centaurs. Got it correct. Yo, like a match, a depth match. So the boy do the face like alpha. Mm. After they fight and shake after. Yo, an arrow like that? So that's sick. That is Shin Rider. What? Sitting there just boy in my dog ball. The boy, brother. In your back. That's called Leroy. Sit here man in the back. Yo, that looking sick. I joke. No, I like always going with the beat, always say a bicycle. You will like the always saying like cycle and joke with the beat, that's so crazy. Like, going with the beat or something. That's good editing there. So there's like a two. So they're making one rider. Yo, that rider looking good. Ooh. Yo, Mr. Actually like Mr. Starlight Shock man. Goes alone, eh? No, they look like a fist, yeah? No, they get the way kick it. Oh, the way it's looking. They showing like what are similar, like connecting to the video, what anime they put it in. Though this is Yu-Gi-Oh again, eh? What? Is that you? So, yo, wow. You know, I never really sit down and watch that Yu-Gi-Oh, bro. I only watch the original, but the others, I never really sit down and watch them. So every time they showing that ending, eh? Let me tell you, I know, I'm telling you, this video, the Cyclone and Hurricane video, I think it's way better, like the water one. I mean, it's just like the anti on like the other video, you know. Um, the other video, what I didn't like about it, there was like some like transitions, and the video was moving so fast, you couldn't really notice like much else happening in the video. But in that one, you can like notice like a lot of things are happening, ideas happen today. I don't know what kind of arrow that thing is, and you have like the cycling with it, with a seeder with it, also the fishing rod and everything, and the slashes happening, the combos and all that. You could have like noticed a lot in this video. It really like focus on the video a lot on that. But yeah, I don't like both videos are good, but this one is up the ante up there, like that is went sky high on me. But that is my opinion, and that's it. I enjoy the music video, go along with it as always, you know. But anyways, you already I enjoy the video and the music reaction, you know, what you're on there. Like I'm doing comment on below, like some more videos like this, you want to see me react to those. Subscribe if you need to have the so you know I ain't have to do it, so I'm going to play on phone. See you guys in the next video, bro.